minutes. My name is Vishra, I study in class 5. I am your host for the day. Today is 4 June 2022 and the day is Monday. Today class 8 is going to present the assembly and the topic of the assembly is hard work and success. There is a design of knowing on the grace of God. Let's take inspiration from this beautiful thought and pray together to start our lesson. I'd like to call Kunal Bhaiya to lead us with morning prayer. Everyone please join your hands, close your eyes and go your way.
Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Save us from the time of trial and deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen.
Are you suffering from fever?
Thank you so much for playing our morning with positivity and faith. I would like to call Prince Bhaiya for the place. Take the position for stage.
India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness.
Now I would like to call Ayush Bhaiya to inspire us with her motivational thoughts.
I am Ayush from class at Editor Thought. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweet determination and hard work.
Now I would like to invite Amit Bhaiya to read the news headlines.
Good morning everyone. My name is Avish Shekhar. I am from class 8. Today I am deliver news. Till July 2, the Indo-Tibetan border police provided oxygen support to more than 50 passengers who were feeling ill due to the need for oxygen. The India Space Research Organization ISRO has successfully launched 3 Singaporean satellites into space. The India Space Agency lifted off the 3 payloads in a telescope launch on board in Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle.
Thank you, Amit Bhaiya. Now I request Prince Bhaiya to speak on the topic.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kulip Prince Kumar. Today I am going to deliver a speech.
Hard work is an essential thing we all need in life. It is impossible to achieve greatness without working hard. In other words, an ideal person cannot gain anything if they wish to sit and wait for something else. On the other hand, one who keeps working hard constantly will definitely gain. Success is life, and this is external exactly what easy on hard work will effort elaborate upon. If we get the determination and focus, we can all work hard for a better future. It is important to concentrate as in ensure your work is finished on the time and in a better manner. Therefore, by working harder, we can increase your concentration power, open doors to new opportunity. And